Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7 and welcome to the second mini marathon on RBWM. Second, last Sunday I've covered the first marathon, mini marathon. Okay, before that I've covered 50-50 sessions, means 50 questions in 50 minutes. How many? We have covered 4 to 5 such sessions, almost 5 sessions of 50-50, means you have got 250 questions from those 5 sessions. Last mini marathon, almost 50 questions you have got it. This time also almost 50 questions. So you are getting roughly how much? You are getting roughly 400 questions, roughly on an average. So follow this series completely. Okay, and daily also. Daily also I am taking the series at 6 a.m. in the morning, English. So follow that also. There also roughly 10 to 15 questions are covered, objective questions. Huh? So that's why follow it completely because your exams are near. Okay. So let's start without wasting the time. First one. Here, this is question number 255. You'll say, sir, how come 250? Because earlier ones I've covered it in my earlier sessions. That's why I'm saying follow them completely. Otherwise, what happens? I'll go on repeating the same question. It's of no worth, right? So the moratorium period in case of personal loans is personal loans. Think over it. Personal loans. Moratorium period in personal loans. What do you think? Personal loans. How many of you have worked in loan department? Right? Type yes in the comment section. If you have worked in the loan department, type yes in the comment section. Now working or earlier you might have worked anywhere. How many of you have done this? Right? So now, there you might have seen that we give moratorium period to home loans. We give moratorium period to other loan. Which is the other loan where you give the moratorium period? Tell me, in which other loan do you give the moratorium period other than home loan? Very tricky one, not difficult, tricky one. We gave moratorium period in education loan. Remember, education, right? Education loan it is given. Even in this KCC, Kisan Credit Card, this KCC loans, there also, where does the customer pay anything? For 1 year, those crop loans, does the customer pay anything? No, right? So that's the thing. So mainly in education loans and those Kisan loans, right? Those are in fact subsidized by government. That's why. But then also, okay, now coming back to this question, the moratorium period in case of personal loans is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Basically, there is no moratorium period in personal loans. No. Okay. Then why am I telling you that it's 1 month? See, the answer is 1 month. But why am I telling you 1 month? If there is no moratorium period, then because as the after disbursing the loan, the customer takes 1 month to pay the EMI. So that is considered as moratorium period. Actually, there is no moratorium period in personal loans. Okay, personal loan, two-wheeler loan, car loan, even second-hand housing loan. That also no moratorium period, right? Next one. Personal loans are generally repayable in a period of 1 sec. So yeah, personal loans are generally repayable in a period of yes. Just wait. Yeah. So they are repayable in a period of everyone 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months. Maximum. Have you seen personal loans? Maximum in how many months does the customer repay the loan? The customer repays the personal loan in generally in maximum is 36 months. It can be less than 36 months. But remember maximum is 36 months. So the answer is 36 months. Got it everyone? Clear? Next one. Hold on. For repayment, For repayment of personal loans, the bank obtained dash for payment on due date. What does the bank obtain? For repayment of personal loans, what does the bank obtain? Authority letter to debit a deposit account, FDR as a security, post-dated checks, or any of the above. So for payment on due date, what does the bank obtain? What can the bank obtain in personal loans? Yes, everyone. Try tricky one. This is a tricky one. Huh? So let me see how many of you can answer. I'm having the explanations also for this. Okay. So for repayment of personal loans, bank obtains what? What do you say? Yeah. Bank obtains. Does the bank get this FDR? But if it gets this FDR, then it becomes FDOD. Right. If it's an authority letter to debit or a deposit account. So does a bank get an authority letter to debit a deposit account? Or does it get post-dated checks? So what do we get? Post-date PDCs. Nowadays this PDCs is gone. See here, PDCs is given as an answer in many of the books. But now the PDCs is not the right answer because nowadays there is no PDC concept. Everything is this authority debit. We get this debit authority directly, isn't it? And that is the answer, isn't it? Next one. The disbursement of a personal loan is, so disbursement of a PL is generally in one go, in a period of 1 to 2 months, in installments. Any of the above as per bank's discretion. So personal loan is disbursed how? How is the personal loan disbursed? In one go, or is it in installments? This month something, that month something, next month something, or as per the bank's discretion. Generally, I am talking generally. See here, there can be tailor-made home loans also, personal loans also. But generally it is in one go. Okay, remember, it is in one go generally. Whenever any personal loan is disbursed, it is always disbursed in, because personal loans amounts are very less. Okay, less means in the sense it can be about 1 lakh generally. Majority of the personal loans are generally up to 1 lakhs. There are certain personal loans which are given above 1 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs also the loans are given. Up to 50 lakhs also personal loans are given. 50 lakhs. You can give a personal loan up to 50 lakhs. Nobody can stop you. Okay. But generally it is 1 lakh. Okay. Next one. The term demographic dividend is used in Indian context with reference to. What do you mean by demography? Okay. Demography means changes. What are the different religions, what are the different human the salaries. Demography means any classification. So demographic dividend is used for what? Advantage of the largest number of qualified persons in science and engineering, advantage of highest number of young people in India, advantage of highest number of software development firms, and advantage of all of them. Isn't it? What is the answer? So it is used for, yeah. Is it for qualified person? Is it only for qualified person? Let me see how many of you can answer this. Is it for the qualified persons or is it for the young people? We say, yeah, demographic dividend about India means India is a young country. Means what? That is known as demographic dividend. Dividend means what? The advantage. India has an advantage over here demographically. Why? Because it has highest number of young people in the world. Okay, highest number of young people. So this is the answer. Okay, the term demographic dividend is used in Indian context with reference to advantage of highest number of young people in India. Okay, this software firm and these are all different. These are not related to the question. Okay, next one. For education loan, the banks follow. So what do the banks follow for education loans? Policy prescribed by Ministry of HRD, Government of India. Policy details formulated by RBI. Model Education Loan Scheme of IBA. The own policy framed by them without taking into account any instructions from RBI or government or IBA. So education loans, what does the bank follow? Yeah. Very typical one. Huh? This answer is very typical. Many of you will get confused over here. I'll tell you. Many of you will answer this as B, RBI. Policy details formulated by RBI. But that is not the answer. B is not the answer. Okay? B is not the answer. So the answer is what? HRD or what is the correct answer over here? Let me see. How many of you can answer this? B is not the answer strictly. Okay? So that is done. B is out. Now think about A and C only. D is also out because own policy not giving any heed or any attention to RBI instructions, or that is not the right answer. So A and C only. What about A and C? HRD or IBA? Yes, the answer is IBA. Always remember. Okay, Indian Banking Association, IBA, the Model Education Loan Scheme from IBA. Everyone, before going ahead, say this. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever you require for clearing JAIIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. So download it immediately. Okay. Education loans are available generally to which of the following? So whom are these education loans given? Mainly to school students, professional and other college students, only university level students, and any of the above. So education loans are given to whom? Are they given to school students also? Do school students get this education loans? Do they get it? School. Although, as per your JAIIB, now, here, what am I telling you? As per your JAIIB syllabus, the answer is only this, professional and other college students. That is the answer. Okay? Professional. Now, this includes university level also. Professional means it includes C also. Okay? A is not the answer. But I'll tell you, within some years, you'll see even school students will be requiring the education loan. Why? Because the problem, look at the fees of the schools, right? The school fees are in metros, they are going up to 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs in metros. Whereas in normal tier 2 cities, they are going up to 1 lakhs. So that is a huge amount, isn't it? But right now, as per your syllabus, it is professional and other college students. Okay? Got it? In case of education loans, who is made as a co-borrower? So who is a co-borrower in case of education loans? The college where the student takes the admission. College. That college will go bankrupt, right? The family member of the borrower, parents of the borrower, friends and relatives of the borrower. So who is made as a co-borrower? Family members. Family members means uncle, auntie, everyone, friends and relatives. These. Why will they become the co-borrower? Today, not even the brothers and sisters stand as co-borrower to anyone, right? So, in terms of this educational loans, this college is out because college will go bankrupt otherwise, isn't it? If this college goes on becoming co-borrower, it will go bankrupt. Family members, yeah. Close family members means here we are talking of parents. Parents will become the co-borrowers because family members means other family members won't become the co-borrowers over here. Okay. Friends and relatives, why will they become? Friends and relatives are always out, right? That's a simple thing which you have noted throughout your life. Whenever you need something, all your friends and relatives are, yes, away. They'll never come to help. Isn't it simple? Okay, next one. Chalo. The amount of education loan is restricted to dash rupees for studies in India. Now, in India, we are talking about. So, education loan for studies in India, rupees 5 lakhs, 7.5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and 20 lakhs. For studies in India, we are talking of. So, for studies in India, it is. What is the answer? Let me see. Yes. You answer, guys. Answer it fast. Yeah. What is it? Let me see the answer from your side. It is 5 lakhs, 7.5, 10 or 20. Yeah. Answer it, everyone. Yes. It is. It is. Oh, here we are talking of India. For India, it is 10 lakhs. For India, education loans within India, it is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, if I go ahead, then say this means ahead means abroad. If I go abroad, then so the education loans for abroad are the amount of education loan is restricted to dash rupees for studies abroad. For studies abroad, it is now 5, 7.5, 10 and 20. Obviously, abroad will be higher than the Indian amount, isn't it? If Indian studies are given as 10 lakhs, abroad will be given as what? Obviously, it is higher, 20 lakhs, isn't it? So 20 lakhs is the answer. So for India studies within India, we are giving the education loan up to 10 lakhs. For studies abroad, we are giving up to 20 lakhs. Okay. For education loans up to 4 lakhs. This is an exam question. Huh? Mind it, this will be there in the exam. Means further 3 questions which I am asking you, out of them, at least one will be there in the exam. At least one. For education loans up to 4 lakhs, which of the following type of security is available? Up to 4 lakhs. Huh? Up to 4 lakhs, which is a security? Parents are co-borrowers. Parents are co-borrowers plus third party guarantee. Parents are co-borrowers, charge on tangible assets like property, house, etc. Parents are co-borrowers and charge on tangible assets plus third party guarantee. So all of them. So which is the right answer for loans up to 4 lakhs? Only up to 4 lakhs we are talking about. Yeah, it is. Type fast in the comment section. Up to 4 lakhs. I want it up to 4 lakhs only. Up to 4 lakhs. Everyone. Let me see. Everyone. Yes. It should be up to 4 lakhs. It is. For 4 lakhs, we don't need much guarantee as such. Much security and guarantee everything. So parents as co-borrowers. Okay. That is the answer. Parents as co-borrowers. That is the only answer. Okay. Next one. Next one. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Next one. For education loan above 4 lakhs but up to 7.5 lakhs, bank can insist on the following type of security. So, if education loan up to above 4 lakhs but up to 7.5 lakhs. So, what does the bank insist on in that case? Bank insists on what is it? For education loans above 4 lakhs but up to 7.5 lakhs, bank will insist on what? Parents as co-borrowers. Then B is parents as co-borrowers plus third party guarantee. This is party, okay? Third party guarantee. Then parents as co-borrowers plus charge on tangible assets. And this last one is all of the above. Means parents co-borrower, charge on tangible and third party guarantee. So all of them. So what is the right answer? A, B, C or D? Look at the period, look at the amount. 4 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs. Yeah, it is. Everyone. Answer first. It is. What do you say? It is? Yes, yes, yes. Let me see in the comment section. I must see in the comment section fast. Everyone in the comment section. It is? The answer is B. Okay. Parents as co-borrowers plus third party guarantees. So that is the answer. Okay. Parents as co-borrowers and third party guarantees. It is party, RTY. This is RT. Okay. It is not coming. So parents as co-borrowers and third party guarantees. Next one. For education loans above 7.5 lakhs. Okay. Now we are talking of above 7.5 lakhs. So for education loans above 7.5 lakhs, above means it can go from 10 lakhs, from 7.5 to 10 to 20, foreign also. Bank can insist on the following type of security. So above 7.5 lakhs, is it parents as co-borrowers? Parents as co-borrowers plus third party guarantee. B1. C1. Parents as co-borrowers plus charge on tangible assets. And D1, all of them. Parents as co-borrowers, charge on the tangible assets, and third party guarantees, all of them. So, what is the right answer? For 7.5 lakhs and above 7.5 lakhs we are talking about. So, it will be 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, anything up to 20 lakhs. So, what is the answer over here? Yeah. What do you say? Above 7.5 lakhs, huh? Yes. It is. See this. This is the answer. Parents as co-borrowers and charge on the tangible assets. That is the answer. Parents as co-borrowers and charge on the tangible assets like property, means house and etc. Okay. Next one. The education loan is generally disbursed by banks in one go, semester wise, annual payment installment, and semester wise or annual payment installment. So how is the education loan disbursed? This is generally for foreign. Okay, it is. How is it disbursed? Education loan, huh? Let me see. Type fast in the comment section. One go. Suppose if my course is for 4 years, why should I start interest from the first day on all the 4 years course? So it should be disbursed how? Semester wise? Annually? It is semester wise or annual. Whatever is preferable. Whatever is decided between the bank and the customer. Okay. So it is always remember either semester or annual pattern. Okay. Annual pattern means annual one payment. This June disburse the 1/4 amount. Next June disburse 1/4 amount for engineering. And for others it's different. Okay. So it is either semester wise or annual payment installment, whichever is decided between the bank and the customer. Okay. The repayment of education loan is generally in typical one. Huh? Typical one. So generally it is in repayment of education loan. Yeah. It is generally in 36, 48, 60, 84 months. Yeah. I'm seeing many answers over here at 84 EMI. This is what many of them are giving. Because you consider that 12 sevens are 84, right? 12 sevens. So you're considering 4 years, let's say, of engineering plus that remaining 1 year and then total 84 months. But that is not the right answer. The right answer is 60 EMI. Education loan is repaid in 5 years. But you'll say, sir, the course itself it takes around 4 to 5 years. In engineering, it takes 4, medical it takes around 5 years. Then how can somebody repay in 60 EMI? But this EMI starts after the course is completed and after 1 year. Next question is that only. See this. Before going ahead, see this. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Everyone. Okay. In this channel, you'll be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB from IIBF. Number 1. Number 2, what will you be getting? The free YouTube series. What are you getting right now? Right now you are watching this mini marathon. So what is it? Free YouTube series. So free YouTube series you will be getting on all the subjects of JIB and CIB as well. So that's why subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon immediately. Okay, share it with your friends. So move on. The moratorium period in terms of education loans is generally, so moratorium period for education loans, what do you say? Is generally 1 year after the studies, 1 year after getting the job, 1 year after studies or after getting the job, whichever is later. 1 year after studies or after getting the job, whichever is earlier. So what do you think should be the right answer over here? Yeah. Right answer over here should be yes. Which okay, I'll give you the hint. It's only C or D. It's either C or either D. Not anything else. Either C or either D. So what do you think is the answer? Answer is D. Okay. 1 year after the studies or after getting the job, whichever is earlier. Got it? The model used for processing retail loan application can be retail loan. Huh? Now we are talking of retail loans. So model used for processing this retail loan application is standalone and centralized model, standalone and standby model, centralized and standby model, and hybrid and standalone model. So what is the right answer? Yeah, the right answer is, what is the model used for personal loan? Retail loan basically. It is, the answer is standalone and centralized model. That is the right answer. Okay, standalone and centralized model. This is the model used. Got it, everyone? The model used for processing retail loan application is standalone and centralized model. What is this model? Standalone means the branch itself does the procurement of the loan, does the processing of the loan, does the disbursement of the loan. Branch. Centralized means branch just acts as a collecting center. It collects the documents and sends it to the centralized team. And that centralized team will process the loan and also disburse the loan many times. Okay. So that's why both the models are followed depending on the bank. Next one. When retail loan proposals are received, processed and sanctioned, disbursed at the branch level, it is called as, just now I gave you. So received, processed, sanctioned and disbursed at the branch level. So if anything is done at the branch level itself, everything received, processed, sanctioned and disbursed at the branch level, it is called as hybrid, standby, centralized or standalone model. What is it called as? It is called as, everyone, what do you say? It is centralized model. Okay, this is known as at the same level. Okay, process, sanction, disburse at the branch. So it is known as standalone. Standalone. Whenever everything is done at the branch level. Okay, just now I gave you this example also. So when everything is done at the branch level, it is called a standalone model. Okay. A bank receives, processes, and sanctions all the retail loan proposals at one place for a particular geographic area. So this model is called as, what I say? Bank receives, processes, sanctions all the retail loan proposals at one place. Means what? There are 5 branches. All the 5 branches will give the loan applications to the branch. Okay. And this branch will then, this central branch will then process the applications and disburse the loan. So this model is known as what? Hybrid, standby, centralized, and standalone. What is this model called as? Everyone, yes? In the comment section. Type fast in the comment section. This is called as, at one place only. All the branches are giving it to the central hub, and central hub is then processing that application. It is called as this centralized model. Okay? Centralized model. Got it? Which of the following is not a feature of standalone model of retail loans? Not a feature. We want not a feature. Remember, in exams you will get such questions which will be asking negative questions they will be giving you. So which of them is not a feature? It is based on documents only. There is no standard approach. Retail loans are one part of the multiple activity. Compliance or appraisal norms may be biased on the customer profile. So not a feature. So there is no standard approach. Is this the answer? B. Here it is based on documents only. That is the right answer because it is a feature. We want not a feature. There is no standard approach. Can this be the answer? Yes. What do you think is the feature? Yeah. It is based on documents only. Okay, think of A again. It is based on documents only. Not a feature. Now look at this. There is no standard approach. That is not the right answer because there is a standard approach. Retail loans are one part of the multiple activity. That is also true. One part. So under centralized model, we are processing all types of loans. Retail, LAS, then home loan, personal loan, everything is done. Compliance of appraisal may be biased. It is never biased on the customer profile. Never. Because that is the basic beauty of this centralized model. It can never be biased. It can never have human feelings over here. Okay. So if B, C, D are right answers, means they are the features, then it is A will be the wrong answer. A is not a feature. So you'll say, how is this? A is not a feature because it is not only based on documents, it is based on the visits also. Visits are to be done by the branch, right? Valuation is to be done. So everything is taken, right? Which of the following is not a feature of centralized model? Not, we want not a feature. The quality is uniform. See here, not a feature. Quality is uniform. Document standards are professionals. Processing time is uniform. And none of the above. Not a feature. We want not a feature. Yeah. Not a feature. So quality is uniform. That is obviously uniform. Why? Because there can't be a bias against any customer. The documentation standards are professional. So that is also a feature. Professional means they ask whatever is required, only that much. Processing time is uniform. That is also correct. Uniform means you can't say that for home loan it is taking 15 days and for personal loan it is taking 3 days. So how is it uniform? No. We mean over here, for personal loans it is uniform. For home loans it is uniform. Depending on that product category. Okay. So what is the right answer then? If all of them are the features, the correct answer is D. None of the above. Okay, that is the right answer. Okay, so that becomes D now. Got it? Next one. Now we'll move on to credit cards, credit and debit cards. Huh? New topic. So let's move on to these questions, credit and debit cards. Which of the following provides the facility called as buy now, pay later? Who provides this? Buy now, pay later. Who provides this? Buy now, pay later. Yeah. Who provides this? Buy now, pay later. Overdraft, credit card, debit card, ATM card. Who provides it? It is provided by buy now, pay later. Credit card. Okay. Credit card provides this facility. Buy now, pay later. Got it? Credit card provides this facility. Clear? Debit card provides what? Debit card provides buy now, pay now. Buy now, pay now immediately, isn't it? The size of the credit card is typical question. Size of the credit card, and this is a standard format. Remember this. We generally ignore these questions, but these are asked in the exam. Size of the credit, even I would say not credit card only, size of the debit card also. You see all your cards are of the same size now, right? What is the size? Very difficult one. I know it's really difficult. D is the answer. Okay. So 4 1/8 inch means actually it is 33 inches. 33 upon 8. That is the right answer. 33 upon 8. So 33 upon 8 means what? 8 for the 32 plus 1, 33. And by this second side is 21. 21 upon 8 inches. So 8 to the 16 plus 5, 21. So D is the answer. Okay. So size of the credit card is D. 4 1 upon 8 inches by 2 5 upon 8 inches. So 33 upon 8 inches by 21 upon 8 inches. Okay, that is the right answer. Got it? Everyone clear? See here, this is a typical question in the exam. You'll say, what is the use of finding the size of that card? But it's a part of your studies, so you have to do it. It's that. There's no questioning based on this. Okay? You can't question IIBF. That why we ask this question? No, they'll say, after all, it's a banking study. You have to study it at any cost, isn't it? Move on. Okay, we'll take a break for 2 minutes. Okay, just take a break for 2 minutes. I'll also have some water. Okay, yeah. Just 1 minute. Okay, chalo, yes. So, this is the answer. Next one, move on. One sec. The payment made through credit card or cash withdrawn have to be made. See here, the payment made through credit card or cash withdrawn have to be made. Now there is a problem over here. The payment made through credit card means this part has to be made after what? We'll just skip this. The payment made through credit card or cash withdrawn. Cash withdrawn, actually I'll tell you, cash withdrawn, it immediately the interest starts on cash withdrawn. Whereas in credit card, if you make the purchases, point of sale purchase, then you have to pay after 90 days immediately after the agreed time gap, and add any of the above at the discretion of the issuing bank. So what is the correct answer over here? Credit cards here. There are two parts to this. Remember, suppose if you withdraw the cash, the interest starts immediately. See here, the payment has to be made later. That is point. Suppose if I withdraw today and my billing cycle is, let's say, 5th of next month. So I'll pay that amount on 5th of next month, but I'll be charged interest from today for cash withdrawn. And if I make a purchase, online purchase, then no interest will be charged up to that billing date. Okay, that billing date plus 20 days next. Okay, so what is the right answer over here? In exam, if this question comes, then what is the right answer? The answer is this: after the agreed time gap. Okay, that is the right answer. After the agreed time gap. Okay, got it? The first credit card that could be used at different stores and business establishments was introduced by American Express Company, Diners Club, Franklin National Bank, and Citibank. Even in India, when the credit card came, the first credit card was issued by whom? In India also, same company. This credit card was issued by Diners Club, this company. Okay, Diners Club brought in the first credit card. Now it is gone. Everything is gone. Now all the big companies have taken it over. Okay. Next one. Visa cards introduced in 1976 were originally issued as. What were these cards issued as? Mastercards, Bank America card, means Bank America card, Master Charge, and none of the above. So Visa cards were first issued as, originally issued as, yeah. They were first issued as Bank America card. Okay, Bank of America you can call it, or Bank America card. They were issued as B. Okay, they were issued. In fact, they were issued by Bank of America. These first Visa cards were first issued by Bank of America. Okay. In India, the credit card issuing started in 1980s. This was started by American Express, Stanchart, American Express and HSBC, HSBC and Stanchart, Citibank and HSBC. Yeah. So Diners card brought in the card over here, but that was only for dining, typically. But in the banking sector, because Diners card was not a banking card. Banking company, which banking company started in India issuing the cards? Yeah, it was Citibank and HSBC. These companies started the issuing the cards, credit cards basically. Okay. Next one. Which of the public sector banks was among the first that started credit card business in India? So which company started the first credit card? Andhra, BOB, SBI, Vijaya Bank. Very typical one. Even I have used that card when it was started first. I also used it. Yeah, it was by which public sector? Many of you think that it was BOB, Bank of Baroda, but that is not the right answer. It was first issued by Andhra Bank. Surprise, isn't it? It was first issued by Andhra Bank. First credit card was issued by Andhra Bank in public sector banks. Next, which of the following groups of the banks dominate the credit card business in India? Who dominates credit card business in India? Andhra Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank, SBI, Stanchart, Canara Bank. Stanchart means Standard Chartered Bank. Citibank, SBI, ICICI, HDFC Bank, Stanchart. Citibank, PNB, ICICI, Axis Bank. So who dominates now? Presently. Presently it is this group. Okay? Complete. The whole market is captured by mainly, not even now, Citibank is also gone. I'll tell you, only SBI, ICICI, HDFC Bank. These three banks have covered the entire market almost of the credit card business. Almost entire market. Okay? SBI, ICICI and HDFC. This Citibank and Stanchart are also gone. Even this Stanchart has closed down the business of this retail banking now. Okay? So you can remove this. Okay? So I'll just make the change. It is only SBI, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Only three banks now. This Citibank is also gone. You can cancel this now. Because this won't come to you in the exam now. Okay? This will go and this Stanchart will also go. It won't come to you in exam. Only the answer is this: SBI, ICICI and HDFC Bank. Okay? Everyone. Now, as I told you earlier, join our YouTube channel. Similarly, you can join our Telegram channel. Plus, you can join our YouTube channel. Plus, you can join our Instagram channel. On all the three channels, we provide you the latest free question bank also, free videos also, latest updates also. So it's everything is available free. All you guys are watching, using now Telegram, right? All you guys are using this YouTube. All you guys are using Instagram. Then join it over there. Scan this QR code. See this. This blue one QR code is for this Telegram. This second one is for this YouTube. And this third one is for the Instagram, right? So even for that it is available. Instagram. Okay. So Instagram, this is the one. So pause this video, scan it, isn't it? Which of the following does not fall under the proprietary format of the credit card? Does not fall. Huh? Which of the following does not fall? Proprietary format. Classic card, gold or silver card, platinum card, or and titanium, and none of the above. Proprietary format. Proprietary means what? Single-handedly, single company format. That is known as proprietary. So which of them does not fall under the single company format? Means, let's say, I'll give you an example. SBI issuing the card. SBI can issue classic card? Yes. Can issue gold, silver card? Yes. Platinum, titanium? Yes. So everything falls under the proprietary format. So the correct answer is none of the above. Okay. So all of them are under the proprietary format. Proprietary means single name card. SBI credit card, Andhra Bank credit card, HDFC credit card. Okay. A co-branded card is issued now. Here is a separate question. Co-branded card. Co-branded card is issued by the banks when two or more banks join together. Banks. Is it that banks join together? When two or more service establishments join together. Is it that? Service establishments. Third one, when a bank ties up with service providers like hotels, oil companies, etc. And all of the above. So co-branded is what? Have you seen this co-branded card? In HDFC, in SBI, SBI has mainly these co-branded cards. SBI with BPCL, Petro cards, right? SBI with HPCL. SBI with Inox. Nowadays we have this Inox also. Inox. Then SBI with this other book companies, many book companies. Okay. So all of them, isn't it? So the answer is this: not between the banks, but bank and the other service provider. It can be anything like that. Okay. Got it? Chalo, next one. credit cards are accepted on global basis when their affiliation is with. So global basis, huh? Throughout the world, they are accepted when their affiliation is with Visa, Master, international financial institutions, international banks, and all of the above. So they are accepted globally when their affiliation is with. Presently, the sad part is true, Visa, Master. Okay. Presently, the sad part is Visa, Master is the right answer. Visa, Master is the right answer, right? But right now we are going on with RuPay cards. RuPay cards will be accepted. Nowadays they are accepted in almost 28 countries. So within some years they'll be accepted by throughout the world, right? So presently the sad part is Visa and Master is the right answer. Because I also feel bad about this. Okay. Why should Visa and Master? It should be globally accepted. Our RuPay card should be UPI. Okay, UPI should also have the credit card. Logically. Firstly, tell me, is there any use of any card now? Do you use the cards? How many of us use the cards now? How many of us withdraw the cash now? Even debit card, I would say. How many of us withdraw the debit cards, cash through debit card? No, nothing, UPI. So now the credit card time has come to be linked to the UPI. In fact, it is linked now. PhonePe has this UPI system, this credit card system. Means if you have any credit card, you can link it to the PhonePe also for online purchase. Only online purchases, huh? Got it? Chalo, move on. The term credit card is the term credit card limit in a credit card represents which of the following? So this term credit card limit, it represents what? Credit card limit. Okay. The amount of withdrawal of the cash, this is cash basically, cash, withdrawal of the cash, the amount of purchase of the goods, the upper limit up to which the card can be used, the total amount of cards issued by the bank. What is it? The term credit card limit means what? It is upper limit up to which the card can be used, maximum limit which you can use it. Okay, it relates to that. Okay, chalo, last one. The due date of payment in a credit card is, so what is the due date of payment? Due date of payment in the credit card is, okay, one more is there. The due date of payment in the credit card is decided from date of issue of the card, date of billing, last date of the billing cycle, and any of the above, whichever is later. So which is the right answer? Due date. Due date is, it is from the date of billing. Remember, from billing date, we calculate the next due date. So it is generally 20 days after that billing date. Whatever is that billing cycle date, we get it after 20 days. Last one. The term free credit period in a credit card is represented by free credit period means what? As I told you just now, the billing date. Whenever I have a billing cycle, let's say on 5th of every month. So I'll have to pay after 20 days from 5th. So 25th, I'll have to pay after up to 25th of that month. So in that case, I won't be charged any interest. So the term credit free credit period in a credit card is represented by the period front date, or what, the period front date of billing to the date of payment. Period from date of billing to the date of payment. Period from date of issuing the card to the date of billing. Period from date of issuing the card to the date of payment, and any of the above, whichever is earlier. So what is the right answer? The period from billing to the date of payment. Okay, from billing to the date of payment, that is the right answer. Okay, got it? Now everyone, do join the Power Packed RBWM batch immediately, because only how many days? Only 1 day is remaining. So join fast. You'll get all the recorded videos of the lectures taken. You'll get the ebooks, tests, everything. So join fast. Okay. You'll get various numericals are also covered over there. So how to join this? Let me show you. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay. On Adda 24/7, look at this. I'll always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you get around 1% extra using the coins. Okay. So go to Adda 24/7. Click on here. Click on JAIB and CIB. Look at this. JAIB and CIB. Click on JAIB October 23. Tomorrow's exam. See the JAIB Power Pack batch. Click on this Power Pack batch. Done. Now you will see this. See this. What is this? 624 rupees. Just 624, and you still have got a chance to clear your RBWM exam. Okay. Even 12 hours is a huge time. You can go through the ebooks, tests, lectures as much as possible, and there are great chances of clearing it. Okay. Win75 is the code which is to be applied. Apply this code. Click on buy now. Click on continue. Fill in the details. Make the payment, and that's it. Okay. So best of luck for your exam for this RBWM. Okay. And join this batch right now. Okay.